This is a tour of Golden Financial Services. You can find our website at goldenfs.org. It stands for Golden Financial Services, but that's goldenfs.org. You can also find our other website at nomorecreditcards.com. On this website, on both websites, you can find a variety of information to help you for free. You can find out options on how to help with private and federal student loans, credit card debt, and you can learn about just about any debt relief program. Everything's on this website. You can see here one popular post is Student Loan Debt Relief Most Popular FAQs for 2016. I recommend you review these posts, and you can also watch the videos included and get very valuable information. Now, online, I'm going to show you some of our credentials. If you type in Golden Financial Services on Google, you can see that we have many, many 5-star reviews, and we also have basically all of Google is Golden Financial Services. All of page 1 is Golden Financial Services. Just to show you a few of these reviews, you can see here one recent review says, I want to thank Golden Financial Services and my account manager, Mark Williams. I reached out to a few companies for assistance with my credit cards and private student loans. Most of the companies I had contacted could not assist me, or they were too pushy and left me with a bad feeling. The last call I made was Golden Financial Services, and what a difference this call made for me and my family. Mark could not have been more polite and professional. He walked me through my options and explained how they could assist, lower my payments, etc. Since I had done some research on my own, I knew right away Mark knew that he was talking about If you type in Golden Financial Services on Google and hit search, you can find all types of positive reviews. You can see we have many Google reviews from the last year. You can read these reviews and get an idea about how other consumers were assisted by Golden Financial Services. I definitely recommend that you go through these reviews, and if we go back to Google, you can even look up Golden Financial Services on Yelp. We actually have very good reviews on Yelp as well. The second company is a mortgage company. That's not us. But here's Golden Financial Services on Yelp. That's us. If you go to Yelp, you can find out that we have a near perfect rating on Yelp with all 5-star reviews. If you go back to Google, you can also look at Golden Financial Services, and you can look at the reviews on eComi. eComi is actually a very well-known site where reviews are verified, so there's no way to put fake reviews. For example, if you find reviews on a company's website, they could be fake because the company controls that website. But on these third-party websites, reviews are verified. And you can see we have several pages of reviews here on eComi. Just read through them. Hi, signing up for a debt consolidation program was one of the best decisions I had taken last year. After almost a year, I can't say that I am debt-free, but my debts are definitely under control. And what more? Their debt specialists helped me with a greater understanding of the student loans as well. I definitely recommend Golden Financial Services. This one says, I was in tons of debt, about $25K, and had no idea how to get out of it. But I was fortunate to find Global Financial Services. It should be Golden Financial Services. They worked on my behalf to talk to my creditors and gave me a great relief by consolidation my debts to a single place with a very low monthly payments. GFS did a wonderful job. I'd like to thank them with all my heart. May God bless them. There could probably use a spell check and a grammar check on that review, but it's a good review. Okay, here's one. I had lost my job and fell behind 3 months before I gave a call to Golden Financial Services. I wish I had called much sooner. GFS was able to help get the creditors off my back and let me focus on making one single lower monthly payment. Now that I am back at work, even though the pay isn't as much, I know that I will be out of debt in about 2 years or more. 2 more years. I'd like to thank GFS very much to save my life. Here's another one. I called Golden Financial Services for the first time and found that they are very friendly and helpful. We talked, they listened, and didn't pressure me into anything. I don't have lots of debt, so they answered a few questions, gave me a few tips. It was quick and worth it. I recommend GFS to everyone who is in debt. Just giving them a call. I could go on, but I'm not going to go on. I'm just going to show you a few different resources. You could type in credit card relief programs on Google, hit enter. The top 4 ads, you see where it says ad? These are called paid ads. Anyone can pay to get on these ads. Of course, here we are at the very top, but that's a paid ad, just so that you know. If you scroll down the page, you will also see that these ads, the real ads, the organic ads they call it, they start right here, okay? And if you scroll down the page, you will see the Federal Trade Commission. Of course, they're going to come up at the top. But as far as debt relief companies, we're the first debt relief company. Here we are. We come up organically. So if you type in credit card relief programs, you will see we're right at the top. We're the first debt relief company that comes up, and we come up with the 5 stars. So you can click on this page, and you can review all of the different debt relief programs available. Now, if you're contemplating what's called debt validation, it's very helpful to know how debt validation works. Now, here's a page that I recommend you visit. I will include the link below in the comments section. But on this page, you can see that there are actually hundreds of major banks that have cases and lawsuits against them. For example, case 1, including Bank of America, Chase, Capital One, and HSBC, conspire to fix interchange fees, which created illegal charges equaling as high as $54 billion in illegal bank fees. They violated the Sherman Act and the California Business and Professions Code. The defendants have entered illegal membership agreements. And basically what all this means, and here's, let me give you one more example. Bank of America to pay nearly $800 million for deceptive credit card practices. This is real stuff. These are real cases that you can look up online. If you go to this post here, you can actually see links inside the post, such as this one, where you will be able to view all these different cases. HSBC faces class action lawsuit. Citibank and MidFirst Bank face lawsuit. HSBC Bank faces overdraft fees class action lawsuit. Citizens Bank faces class action lawsuit over ATM fees. Fifth Third Bank faces class action. Hire One Debit credit card lawsuit. Nevada foreclosure companies face illegal debt collection. J.P. Morgan Chase accused of fraud. Neiman Marcus faces lawsuit for failing to post ATM fee notice. Bank of America sued over alleged force-placed insurance. Bank of America faces class action over credit bureau reporting. Okay? This is just an example to show you that your creditors may not be able to prove that they are abiding by all of these federal laws that protect you. Therefore, before settling a debt, it's imperative that you force your creditors to prove that they are abiding by these federal laws. There are other options available that we offer as well that come with a guarantee, a written money-back guarantee. There's options that we offer where one of our representatives will actually assume your debt and work to get it dismissed if they violate your rights. There are options that include an attorney on debt settlement or non-attorney debt settlement programs. And again, there are even options for private student loan help and federal student loan consolidation. You can contact Golden Financial Services by simply calling 866-376-9846. Let me show you some more credentials. If you go to Golden Financial Services BBB or BBB Golden Financial Services on Google, and then you click on the first link, you can see that at the Better Business Bureau, Golden Financial Services has an A+ rating. Here's our website listed here as well with our phone number that I just gave you and one of our addresses. If you scroll down, you can see, well, first off, you can see that we never purchased a BBB accreditation. What that means is this A+ right here, it's based on real factors such as reason for rating, length of time business has been operating, and complaints. There's no complaints filed with BBB. As you can see here, 0 complaints closed with BBB in the last 3 years. In the last 3 years, there has been 0 closed complaints, meaning no complaints even filed with the BBB. You can also scroll down and you can see business started 2004. So that is a very long time in business, and that should allow you to realize that Golden Financial Services is one of the pioneer debt relief companies. And since that time in business, we've experienced ups and downs. We've experienced and we've learned about the obstacles in the debt relief industry. And we've partnered since 2004 with some of the top industry-leading professionals. Some of the top debt relief companies have partnered with us to combine our services and offer an array of the most effective debt relief programs on the market. One company or one person can't possibly do it all. We bring in the best talent. We bring in the best companies, and then we offer you, the consumer, the most effective debt relief program on the market. A couple more places that you can go on Google. I recommend you click Golden Financial Services Reviews. After hitting reviews, you can scroll down the page. Of course, check out these different reviews. Google here, Yelp, BBB. And here's this next one. It's at our website, actually, nomorecreditcards.com. Click on that one, and basically you can see here a little roadmap. Real company reviews about Golden Financial Services. You can visit this link. Yellow pages. You can visit this link. And when I say visit this link, you click on the link, and it takes you to places that are not affiliated with Golden Financial Services, but you can see real reviews. So you can see here, yellow pages, we have these phenomenal reviews. You can see here at the Ecomi website, very good reviews. You can see here, nomorecreditcards.com is what these reviews are illustrating. Just right here, there's over 77 very good reviews. And let's go back. You can see at the BBB, as I showed you before, A+ rated, high reviews on Google. So there are literally hundreds of reviews across the internet. In the debt relief industry, it's not exactly easy to get a client to go on and type a review because of the fact that they had debt and they don't really want to talk about it. So to show you these reviews, it should make you feel more comfortable knowing that our services work. We don't just get you out of debt. Our goal, our objective is to actually improve your overall financial health. And the way we do that is by, in the program, inside of the program, we include credit restoration, all included. So we deal with the debt, then we deal with your credit. On one program, we actually start credit repair from the get-go, simultaneously as we're dealing with your debt, and then we do another credit repair program towards the end of the program. Like I had said, most of these other companies that state that they're one of the best companies in the nation, they have one program available, and when consumers come to them, they try to put you inside that one program, even if it's not the right program for your situation. You really need to have an array of debt relief programs available this day and age, and that's what we have at Golden Financial Services. I'm going to show you two last pieces of information. So if you go onto goldenfs.org and scroll down the page, you can see all types of different links. So you're going to the home page, goldenfs.org, and you're scrolling down the page. You're going to see all of these different pages. I recommend you click on what's relevant to your situation. There's also, right on the home page, you scroll down or just click where it says Debt Calculator on the top, or scroll down and just put your total debt in here. Let's just say $50,000. Pick a payment you can afford, $800. Interest rate you can afford, 29%, let's say, is your interest rate. I'm sorry, not an interest rate that you can afford, but put your actual interest rate in there. So let's say 29%, hit calculate. So it basically shows you a few options here: debt settlement, consumer credit counseling, and on your own. It shows you here with debt settlement, it would take 3 years to become debt-free. You'd pay $850 per month. With consumer credit counseling, it would take 4 years and 9 months. You would pay $1,200 per month. And then it shows you on your own, you would never get the debt paid off at that payment. It would take, it would never get paid off. So it would take eternity. These are just a few examples. With debt validation, not everyone qualifies. And that program is a little bit different, so we can't include it in this calculator. It's really a case-by-case situation. But we will examine all of your options. Just give a call over to Golden Financial Services at 866-376-9846. Okay, that's 866-376-9846. And the last piece of information, I definitely recommend you check out the blog and just scroll through. There's all types of free information here. You would just type in Golden Financial Services, Debt Relief Blog. It is actually going to come up, the first link here. Go to the blog. There are many, many pages of information. Example of debt validation, settlement, and credit repair letters. Here's a good one. It shows proof that debt validation works. You can click on any of these images and see that this creditor here states that, be advised that LTD Financial Services suspended all collection activity on the above referenced account. Here's another one. Credit One Bank. Credit One Bank received your notification regarding the referenced account. Please be advised this trade line has been deleted from all 3 credit bureaus. And there will be no longer collection on this account. So this creditor agreed to stop collection on the account and remove the negative marks from the client's credit. Here's another one. This one states, Northland Group has received correspondence regarding your client. Be advised that the above account has been closed. These are all examples. Here's one for debt settlement. This is an example for debt settlement. It shows this communication. The creditor is willing to accept a payment of $1,475.65 by the way of the following payment arrangement intended to settle this account in full as detailed below. So it's basically one payment of $1,475 to take care of this $4,216.14 balance. So the balance here, $4,216.14, and the creditor is willing to accept $1,475. These great deals and settlements we get every single day. Just give us a call and we would be happy to assist you. Make it a great day, and we look forward to hearing from you.